Help them up top.
Guys, welcome back to another video on Scarlet Outdoors. Today we're back out here on a lake that we came last weekend and hammered them pretty good. So hopefully we can do the same this time. They're all pretty good size. Got a lot of bluegills and crappies mixed in the bunch. So hopefully we can slap them today, and hopefully it's a good day. It's about 1 o'clock right now. It's way warmer than last weekend. Last weekend it was like negative 20. Right now it's about 20 degrees, so that's a lot nicer. So we'll catch you when we see some fish. I'm already videoing. Got one. Nice fish, dude. Nice fish. This might be a big crappie. This might be a... Oh, it just snapped me. Yeah, it just snapped. It was a giant mark, too. I don't know if it was a pike or not. Are you sure?
I guarantee you it won't.
You really think that was a big crappie? That's definitely my dad, but I don't know how to answer that right now. Finally, I got one. For sure, gill. By the way, it's moving. Yep. Dude, the amount of bluegills here is unbelievable. Bluegill, 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 bluegill. Thinking here. Gill? Yeah.
Are you still rolling?
Yeah.
They're smacking this.
What is that?
Crappie.
Nice.
Nice one.
Good night, kid.
There you go, boys. That's how you do it. That's how you spot fish in the mud.
Shut your yapper.
They said put that in the video.
Sure.
You better still be rolling. Check.
It's rolling. Yeah, it's rolling.
These things are...
Oh, I got one too. Ooh. Definitely a gill. It's digging. Yep, big old gill. Big old gill. Woo.
Sorry, I'm slapping your butt right now. You're over there like
He's really coming up for it. They're all bluegills, I swear. We can't get... Yeah, they're all bluegills. I'm past them. Should I go back to the other hole? Okay. Holy nuts, this thing is long. I got like one fish on me now on. I got it. Small though. Oh. No, it's just a bluegill. I thought it was a little bigger, but thank you, buddy. You got off. Well, yeah, you're about to get touched.
I'm about to get touched.
Yeah. By a nice one. That's the second time, Sully. maybe golden. One's jigging right there, and I think we got a school like 6 crappies coming in. A rock bass.
A rock bass.
Out of everything, it's a rock bass.
Dude, there's like a million crappies down there and we catch a rock bass.
It's gill for sure. It's really small. Yeah, really small bluegill. I'm gonna. Wait, is this the new DeWalt battery on? Are both these batteries dead? Huh? That's a lot. Why is this thing not working here? There we go. Holy. Holy nuts. It's pretty quick. Holy moly. On my guys, little update. It's probably 2 hours after I talked to you guys. Been looking a lot around quite a bit for fish and finally got on some. Sully's out there trying to catch some. He's on a big school. We're in the tent right now with not many on us because they're very, very skittish. We're just trying to wait for fish to come to us. There's a school right there, and then Sully is on them, and we're just hoping that those fish kind of work their way in here because he drilled, they move. And I've caught one crappie. I lost probably a giant, like probably massive, probably 15 inches plus. Felt ginormous, and a few bluegills. That's about it. So I'll catch you when you see some more fish.
Got him.
Alright, kid. There goes the heater again. Bluegill? What is it on?
Oh, Gil.
Gill? Stop from out there. He just keeps catching crappies left and right. Well, I'm sitting in the tent just watching it all happen. Go on, show the camera. What do you got? Crappie?
You up, boys.
Alright, kid. Got Sully out there. What do you got, Sully? Show the camera.
Hold on.
Bluegill? Alright. They are everywhere on the screen. Turn it to 360. There's some far, but we are on the main school. Oh, there goes the heater. I guess it was nice while it lasted. Never mind. Nice. Look at my crappie.
I gotta fix my
Nice
rear
crappie.
wheel.
Good, dump them here. Here, give it to me.
I don't want them to fall in the hole. Oh, there's a wacky right here. Let's grab this one.
What are you doing on? In the tent, boys, and we have a gill. Finally.
Oh, I got a keeper.
Nice, that a kid. Sully just caught a crappie and it was a keeper, so that's awesome. Dude, there's 3 more down here. I might be able to get some more in the tent. Finally getting on some fish, which is nice. Well, I don't got any more. Never mind, I got one more here. Got one. Of course it's stuck on the live scope pole. Nice looking bluegill. Nice looking gill. Oh. Probably biggest gill of the day, boys. Looks like the biggest one down there, you know. Got him. I got one too. Little double. Nice gill, I'm thinking. Yep, big old gill. Nice gill. Oh, and you got one too?
Yep.
Nice, we doubled.
What do you got?
Nice gill. You?
I got a gill.
Gill. Going back down. Got him. Caught on the live scope. Dude, are you kidding me right now? What? Bro wrapped himself in the pin.
What is it?
A bluegill, and he got wrapped in the pin. Got him. Really small. I think they're all bluegills. Yeah, bluegill. I need to go get a scooper, dude. Oh shoot! There she goes.
Oh, good luck though.
Stand on it.
It's only because I looked on the live scope and they're past me. The big school is.
Got one. Mini, dude. Miniature. Bluegill. Alright. Crappie. Nice. Alright, I can't still bite. Look at this. Holy. Nice.
Feels like another crappie.
Hopefully.
Oh no. Here, Daniel, son.
You lost it?
I lost him. Mason's slapping him.
Are you kidding me? Oh, it's a crappie.
On a kid.
Crappie down. Whoa. After 900 acres, you get caught in a crappie. Got another one. Really small, I think. Primary gill. Yep, another bluegill. Ah, the bluegill. They triple choked it. Gosh darn it. Bluegill. Alright, another one. A gill, are you kidding me? Freaking bluegill.
Starfish, okay?
Guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's cold outside. We're about to pack it up and go. Got a few crappies, but we slayed the gills, which is pretty cool. So we'll see you next time on Colorado Outdoors. Kids, clean your stuff, for lack of better words.